Spressio. Import hot ecom products. Spressio. Quickly find and import hot and trending e-commerce products with Spressio's online e-commerce software solution, SaaS. Spressio e-commerce hot and trending sellers and product import tool. Spressio main features. Find the trendiest products selling on Shopify stores and their AliExpress suppliers. Imports products from AliExpress including full description and reviews, saving hours of hard work. Extensive database of stores and products. Identify breakout trends for products and stores. Email alerts for any price changes or out-of-stock products. Trend graphs for products and stores enable you to hone in on your niche's top 1% that generates 90% of the profits. Revolutionary algorithm siphons traffic-rich products from best-selling online stores for long-term sales and profits. Newbie-friendly, plug-and-play for impressive results. Finds profitable stores and then steals their product ideas. Identifies hottest and trending products on AliExpress. Generates alerts to trending products long before they can found on traditional keyword tools. Imports products from AliExpress into your store, including full description, images and reviews, saving hours of hard work. Email alerts for any price changes and out-of-stock products. In the cloud, no need for hosting, updates or backups. Spressio upgrade offers, autos. Spressio one-time payment option. Customers get permanent access to Spressio, which includes all updates and upgrades to the platform. Price $29. Intelligence one-time payment option. Customers get permanent access to intelligence, which includes all updates and upgrades to the platform. Price $49. Vluio multi-tier payment option. Customers get access to Vluio on a one-time, yearly or monthly basis, which includes all updates and upgrades to the platform. Price lifetime $39 MO or $109 per year. Spressio, import hot ecom products.